Morning guys, morning. Just want to show you guys how I prepare my breakfast. No, my husband keeps saying to me, you've got to start eating your breakfast and lunch. So he left this bread for me. We had some of it yesterday, guys. It's called ciabatta bread. So he says you've got to have the rest this morning. So I just want to show you guys how I would prepare this. I don't know if this is a normal combination, but I will be adding something strange to some people to wear. That's the bread sliced. So the next thing I would do is, that's the cheese. I love the cheese in Sweden, guys. The cheese in Sweden is just amazing. Even the most normal cheese still tastes really good. So I'll be using floral margarine. Even though I'm Nigerian, I'm very open-minded these days to try different things. To be honest, I think my taste palette has actually changed since I've been abroad, because the things I used to like when I was growing up in Nigeria, I don't like anymore, guys. I've tried making some Nigerian dishes. I used to think they would remind me of home, but they just don't do it anymore for me. So I think the only ones I stuck to are the light dishes like yam, plantain, meat pie, egg roll. I'll be making some of them and showing you guys how I make them. So yeah, but the swallows, that's what they call it now, it just doesn't do anything for me, guys. The next thing my husband will tell me is, do not put the cheese before your meat, because I normally just whack it anyhow. The cheese is more drier than the meat. That's how he explained it. So I'm going to be using this. This is really good. It's a sausage meat. I will just put one on each. And this is, guys, an open sandwich. So this is something that is very common in Sweden. This is how they normally have their sandwiches. Unlike in Nigeria, when I was in Nigeria, I think we used to close the sandwich. I think that's if we actually had sandwich, or we just had the bread, the egg, and we just tear the bread and then you get. So yeah, so this is an open sandwich. So I just put one on each. Usually I do cut my meats in half, guys. I'm so stingy that I will just cut it in half and use half, but I just want to show you guys this is how my husband will probably do it. So after putting the meat, then you go to the cheese. So you can see how big their cheese are here. We've already removed the wax, so I'm just going to use this cheese slicer, guys, is the best one. We have other cheese slicers, but for some reason this Fiskars is the best one, guys. We've also got it in scissors as well for cooking, and it's really good. This Fiskars, it is expensive though, so I am looking to buy more of it. You can see it just cuts it with ease, unlike some of them you have to keep using your energy to do it. So this one is so good, and especially when your cheese is almost finished. I noticed that it's easier to get the last of the cheese with this Fiskars than with any other one. So all I need is just one, guys. My husband will say you need maybe more than one cheese, but I just don't like my my food too much heavy with that. So yeah, so the cheese is done. The Fiskars did its job. The IKEA bread knife is really good as well, guys. You don't even need to keep sharpening it. And this cheese container we got from Klaus Olsen, really good. Even the storage thing was from Klaus. And then the last thing is this, guys, marmalade. So I'm going to be adding this orange marmalade. You can see, guys, it's almost finished, because I really didn't think I would like it. There's something about the sourness that works really well on my sandwich. So I'm just going to put it on here. My husband actually was the one that said you can actually use marmalade with cheese and your bread, but I just thought it was awful. I did actually do a video on it, and this brand, guys, is really good. I just like the chunkiness. There's something about it. I'm so addicted to it now. So yeah, so this is the unusual combination that I have decided to try. This is probably going to be my breakfast and my lunch. So that's it, an open sandwich. Now I need to go and sit down and have my brunch, breakfast and lunch. That's what I'll call it, guys. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. So if you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to my growing channel, guys. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.